Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look into the video based on the Motilal Oswal's 24th Wealth Creation Study. So first video is already posted last week, in which I had listed the top 10 biggest wealth creating stocks. In this video, we're going to get in and see which are those 10 fastest wealth creating stocks which are listed by Mr. Raamdeo Agrawal and his team in the 24th wealth creation study. So as I told you all earlier itself that this wealth creation study is going on since last 24 years, and this is the 24th year. So we'll get in and see which are those 10 fastest wealth creating stocks and a quick review of it. So let's get started. So the stock prices as of 7th Jan 2020. First one on the list is Indiabulls Ventures. Its current share price is 198 rupees. The 52-week low is 78, whereas the high is 412. The industry PE is 39, whereas the company PE is 83. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 11, whereas the debt to equity is 0.57. The TTM EPS is 7. The promoter holding is 36%. Mutual fund investment into the stock is only 1 crore by many mutual fund schemes. And returns, the 1-year return is minus 49%, but the 3 and 5-year return are positive and very good returns. For 3 years, it has given us a return of 108%, and for 5 years, it has given us a return of 52%. Next one on the list is Bajaj Finance. Its current share price is 4,034 rupees. The 52-week low is 2,355, whereas the high is 4,295. The industry PE is 37, whereas the company PE is 52. The PB is 12. The ROCE is 13, whereas the debt to equity is 3.69. The TTM EPS is 80. The promoter holding is 56%. 18,799 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it has given us a return of 54%, for 3 years 65%, and for 5 years it has given us a return of 63%. Next one on the list is Bombay Burmah Trading Corporation. Its current share price is 1,081 rupees. The 52-week low is 737, whereas the high is 1,388. The industry PE is 39, whereas the company PE is just 8. The PB is 28. The ROCE is 40, whereas the debt to equity is 0.25. The TTM EPS is 128. The promoter holding is 65%. Mutual fund investment is only 1 crore, and a return, the 1-year return is negative, which is minus 18%. But the 3 and 5-year return are good. For 3 years, it has given us a return of 24%, and for 5 years, it has given us a return of 20%. Next one on the list is Aarti Industries, one of my favorite stock. Current share price is 892 rupees. The 52-week low is 650, whereas the high is 949. The industry PE is 13, whereas the company PE is 28. The PB is 5. The ROCE is 18, whereas the debt to equity is 0.64. The TTM EPS is 40. Promoter holding is 48%. 2,254 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it has given us a return of 16%, for 3 years 34%, and for 5 years it has given us a return of 46%. Next one on the list is Sundram Fasteners. Its current share price is 494 rupees. The 52-week low is 399, whereas the high is 595. The industry PE is 24, whereas the company PE is 27. The PB is 5. The ROCE is 27, whereas the debt to equity is 0.51. The TTM EPS is 18. Promoter holding is 49%. 1,102 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns, the 1-year return is negative, which is minus 7%, but the 3 and 5-year returns are positive. For 3 years, it has given us a return of 17%, and for 5 years, it has given us a return of 21%. Next one on the list is Bajaj Finserv. Its current share price is 9,136. The 52-week low is 5,855, whereas the high is 9,530. The industry PE is 37, whereas the company PE is 38. The PB is 46. The ROCE is 14, whereas the debt to equity is 3.84. The TTM EPS is 234. Promoter holding is 60%. Mutual fund investment into the stock is 5,770, whereas the returns is for 1 year it is given us a return of 40%, for 3 years 44%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 49%. Next one on the list is Atul. Its current share price is 4,190. The 52-week low is 3,200, whereas the high is 4,379. The industry PE is 17, whereas the company PE is 22. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 27, whereas the debt to equity is 0.03. The TTM EPS is 197. The promoter holding is 44%. 2,674 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it is given us a return of 20%, for 3 years 25%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 26%. Next one on the list is Rajesh Exports. Its current share price is 690 rupees. The 52-week low is 553, whereas the high is 756. The industry PE is 63, whereas the company PE is 47. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 11, whereas the debt to equity is 0.30. The TTM EPS is 40. The promoter holding is 54%. 3 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it is given us a return of 20%, for 3 years 10%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 37%. Next one in the list is Honeywell Automation India. Its current share price is 27,080, whereas the 52-week low is 20,611, and the 52-week high is 29,495. The industry PE is 52, whereas the company PE is 58. The PB is 13. The ROCE is 35, whereas the debt to equity is 0.04. TTM EPS is 456. The promoter holding is 75%. Mutual fund investment into the stock is 3,427 crores, and returns for 1 year it is given us a return of 23%, for 3 years 42%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 31%. Next one and the last one on the list is Britannia Industries. Its current share price is 3,039 rupees. The 52-week low is 2,300, whereas the high is 3,583. The industry PE is 58, whereas the company PE is 54. The PB is 18. The ROCE is 44, whereas the debt to equity is 0.37. The TTM EPS is 52. Promoter holding is 50%. 3,721 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it is negative, which is minus 3%, but for 3 and 5 years it is positive. For 3 years it is given us a return of 27%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 26%. So these are the 10 fastest wealth creating stocks which was listed in the 24th wealth creation study by Motilal Oswal. So I have posted the biggest wealth creating stocks, and next is this fastest wealth creating stocks. So if at all you all want to invest in any of these stocks, please do your research and then start investing, as this is not a stock recommendation from our side, but Motilal and Raamdeo, Agrawal and the Motilal team feels that these stocks are apt for getting good returns very fast. So as I always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.